Is that my freshly showered angel? Is that my freshly showered angel? Yeah. Is that my dapper and dashing wet bird couture superbird model? Huh? Is that the founder and CEO of Wet Bird Couture? Pioneering original fashion forward and feathery looks? For all of your VIP fans, both feathery and non-feathery? Yeah, both feathered and featherless? To follow? He says, yes, Mom. I'm feeling fresh and feathery, Mom. I'm feeling very fashion forward, Mom. Yep, I'm feeling slightly stalked by the paparazzi, but what's new? I love you. You're so